Hello children, welcome back to the science class. Previous session we have completed unit 4 chemistry in daily life. In this session we are going to see about unit 5 animals in daily life. Let's see the lesson. Animals in daily life. In earlier class you have studied how plants are used in our daily life. Now you are going to see how animals are useful in our daily life. Animals are closely associated with human beings in their daily life. They are the greatest gift of nature. They are of great economic importance to our nation. Animals contribute many things for our use as food, clothing, and transportation. Let us learn the importance of animals and how to protect us and maintain them. Animal products used as food. First, we'll see milk. Milk is white liquid food produced by the mammary glands of mammals. It is the primary sources of nutrition for infant mammals. We use milk in our daily life for the following factors. Milk is the daily essential product which is obtained from animals like cows, buffaloes, goats, and camels. Milk is necessary in our daily diet to prepare tea, coffee, ice creams, chocolates, sweets, and other related products. Highly recommended nutritive food containing protein and calcium are made from milk like paneer, cheese, cream, butter, ghee, and curd. So milk is very essential for our daily life. Next, eggs. Eggs are laid by female birds of many different species to produce their young ones, like hen, duck, turkey, and ostrich. We use these in our daily life for the following. They are used in our daily diet to get energy and good health. It is highly nutritious and rich in protein. Eggs have 6 grams of high quality protein. A protein packed breakfast helps to sustain mental and physical energy throughout the day. Consuming egg daily is good for any age people. So we can eat one boiled egg every day. It is good for our health. Meat. Meat is animal flesh that is eaten as food. Most often, it is used to describe skeletal muscle and fat that is found with it. Some people eat the flesh of animals such as chicken, sheep, rabbit, pig, goat, camel, buffalo, fish, crab, prawn, lobster, and many more. Animal meat is considered as the part of diet by most of the people. Meat consumption is considered essential for its nutritive values. Especially chicken breeding is done in large scale in the form of poultry farming for economic purpose. Poultry farming. Poultry farming is the process of raising domesticated birds such as chicken, duck, turkey, and geese for the purpose of getting meat and egg for food. Poultry are reared in large numbers, and chickens being the most common one. Chickens are broadly of two types. First one, layers, egg laying chickens. Second one, broilers, ones that are reared for meat. Poultry farming requires safe and sufficient space for the birds, plenty of water, proper ventilation, and regular feed that is rich in proteins, fats, and vitamins. Poultry feed is composed of maize, wheat, millet, and rice bran in mashed form and ground nut cakes. Animal products used as clothing. Animal hair has a great demand. The hair from goat and sheep is used for manufacturing woolen cloths, shawls, and blankets, mufflers, and socks. Similarly, horse hair is used as bristles is small painting brushes. Even fur of animals, including the skin, is used to make warm and modern style clothes. Animal fibers. Some fabric fibers, such as cotton, jute, silk, are called natural fibers. Already study natural fibers. Cotton and jute are examples of plant fibers. Wool and silk fibers are examples of animal fibers. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. It is also obtained from the hair of rabbit, yak, and camel. Silk fiber is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. Wool. What type of cloths are being used by people of snow capped region? Any idea? Wool is the fiber derived from the fur of animals of the caprine family, principally sheep. The hair of other mammals like goat, yak, alpha, and rabbit may also be called wool. Mostly, wool is produced from the outer coat of sheep. The processing of wool involves five major steps. They are as follows: stripping, grading or sorting, washing or scouting, cording, and spinning. Shearing. The flesh of the sheep is removed from its body. This is called shearing. Next, garding or scouting. The fleece from the same sheep may be different from different parts of the body. It is sorted out into separate peels of similar nature. This is known as garding or sorting. Next, washing or scouting. The sheep skin is washed thoroughly with soap or detergent to remove dirty, dust, and grease. Next, guarding. The dried wool is carefully removed. These fibers then passed through the rollers, which are covered with fine sheet of thin wire teeth. This process arranged the wool into a flat sheet called web. Last one, spinning. The web is drawn into narrow strand and then passed through spinning machines. The spinning machines twist the strands into yarn. The yarn in wound to form balls of wool. This yarn is either weaved into fabric or retained for knitting. Characteristics and uses of wool. It is resistant to heat, water, wear, and tear. It absorbs moisture. Wool install against cold. So wool is a good insulator. It does not wrinkling easily. So wool is a uses of wool. Wool is a multifunctional fiber with a range of diameter that make it suitable for clothing, household fibers, and technical textiles. Two-thirds of wool is used in the manufacture of garments, including sweaters, dresses, coats, and active sportswear. blended with other natural or synthetic fiber wool used as ads, drop and crease resistance blankets, anti-static and noise absorbing carpets. Wool fiber fabric is used for all kinds of clothing, couch covers, bedsheets, toilet covers, tablecloths, and more. Boots, carpet, blankets, sweaters, coats, seat covers, etc. These are uses of wool. Silk. Have you ever attended marriage function? What type of dresses the bride and bridegroom wear? What is it made up of? Yes, silk. Silk is the uh, silk moth. Silk moth is obtained from the cocoon of silkworms, which feed on the mulberry leaves. Silkworms live for a very short time, only about 2 months. During this period, they pass through four stages of development. They are eggs, caterpillars, cocoon, and adult moth. These stages are called as life cycle of silkworm. The cultivation of production of silk is known as sericulture. An adult female silk moth lays about 500 eggs. The eggs are then kept in cold storage for 6 weeks. The eggs are placed in the incubator. So, this is the life cycle. We'll see. Life cycle of butterfly. The cultivation and production of silk is known as sericulture. An adult female silk moth lays about 500 eggs. Eggs are then kept in cold storage for 6 weeks. The eggs are placed in the incubator. After about 10 days, the eggs hatch out and the larvae spend the next 35 days eating mulberry leaves. The silkworm spends about 5 days producing silk and spinning its cocoon of a single long thread. The cocoons are boiled to make it easier to unwind the silk and kill the pupa inside. If the silk moths were allowed to hatch, the long silk fibers will get turned by hatching of moth. Cocoons are unwound and then the individual silk filament is released together to form a thread large enough for weaving. The silk thread is cleaned, dyed, woven into fabric. Characteristics and uses of silk. It is very soft, comfortable, and versatile. It can be easily tied. It is the strongest natural fiber. It has a poor resistance of sunlight exposed and uses of silk. Silk has natural beauty and elegance. It gives comfort in warm weather and warmth during colder months. It is used in the manufacture of classical and high fashion clothes, modern dresses, particularly silk saris, the elegant of beautiful dresses. It is also used in household for making wall hanging, curtains, rugs, and carpets. It is also being used in the manufacture or surgical threads for structs. And silk not only can be used to make cloth but also is used for upholstery, wall covering, rugs, beading, and wall hanging. What's more, silk is used in a variety of commercial and industrial applications, including parachutes, bicycle tires, comforter filling, and artillery gunpowder bags. Hazards in silk and wool industry. Hazards is very industry. Any industry has the potential to cause injury, ill health or damage to human being and their property or the environment. Hazards in silk industry. Generally, the workers in silk industry affected with arthritis in the stand for a long time, reeling the skill into yarn. They also develop back pain and visionary problem and skin injuries. Sometimes they many suffer from respiratory problem like asthma and bronchitis due to poor ventilated area of their work. Similarly, hazards in wool industry, the workers are exposed to various chemicals and detergent which causes allergies of the skin. They also get infected to bacterium which leads to fetal dies called the shorter's diseases. Animal protection and maintenance. Protecting animals is like protecting our own children or parent. They are living things similar to human beings. As an allied, most intelligent and responsible human being on the planet, is it our duty to protect all the living organisms on earth. The human tendency and concern towards the animals should be considered to protect and safeguard the animals. Hence, a human it comes a great responsibility to protect the animals. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has released for new gazette notification under the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960 to regulate dog breed, animal markets, aquarium and pet fish owners. This progress has come about as a joint effort by animal protection groups. So we should be uh, save animals and protect the animals. Thank you, children. We have completed Unit 5 Animals in Daily Life. Let's see the next session. Thank you.